Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to the Days of the Week quiz. What day was yesterday? Choose the right day. Today is Sunday. Yesterday was Monday, Saturday, or Wednesday? Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, Saturday, or Thursday? Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Saturday, Thursday, or Sunday? Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Friday, Tuesday, or Sunday? Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday? Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Tuesday, Friday, or Wednesday? Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Saturday. Yesterday was Monday, Friday, or Sunday? Friday. Yesterday was Friday. That's the end. Did you name all the days? Congrats! Good job! See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.